Hello world, welcome to this Python course for absolute beginners. If you have never written code before, don't worry. This course is designed for complete beginners. In this series, we will learn Python step by step in a simple way. By the end of this course, you will be able to build real programs. So, what is Python? Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It is used in AI, web development, automation, and data science. Big companies like Google and Netflix use Python. Python is easy to read and easy to learn. It looks almost like normal English. That is why Python is great for beginners. Now, let's write our first Python program. This command tells Python to print something on the screen. The word print means show something. Congratulations, you just wrote your first Python program. In the next video, we will install Python and set up our coding environment. See you in the next lesson.